Okay. Gonna talk about a fire and some other stuff. Just gonna make sure that everything sounds fine. Don't want it to be too loud. I just saw a video that I want to share about the fire here in Paradise, California. And we've been talking a lot about microwave technology on the airplanes. Something kind of like this. You can see this. They've got these devices on different kinds of planes, but I just want to get to the story real quick. Anyway, so let's watch what just happened. We've got a family evacuating Paradise, California, and it appears to me that it's done on purpose, because you'll see how far they drive down the road and what does and does not survive the fire. It just doesn't add up. Here we go.
Yeah, I don't think anyone would ever believe this. Fucking Paradise is gone.
These houses that they're right next to us, all the embers are going up on them. Here's another area. People.
Yeah.
They're all throughout here.
It's all gone back there. I know, babies. I know, honey.
CMA Church?
Yep, the church got it too. I mean, my God.
Liquor store's on fire.
Everything.
Oh, look at all Billy.
Everything.
Billy's on fire. The tune-up place.
Even
Tires.
your mom's house is probably gone. Oh my God! Look at Sam's liquor.
Yeah. Look at that.
Oh my God! Even the little one that right from the last time.
Look at this.
Oh my God!
All the way down the road.
Oh my God!
Piece of metal.
Even the mortuary's on fire. I know, babies.
Look, all this.
We'll get you somewhere safe.
Some houses are here, some aren't.
No.
You see how that's leveled? It's just ash all the way down to nothing. And then you'll see buildings right next to it that are unscathed.
My God.
Car wash is even on fire.
Nothing.
Gone.
It's gone. Oh my God. Paradise is totally
The
gone.
church. Gone.
Yeah.
That's engulfed.
Oh my God. Fred. The fire took everything.
Lawnmower place.
Oh my God.
This is in Paradise, California. This is probably an hour away from where I live. Sections of this town, they're saying 95% of this town just burned down, and it looks just like the microwave stuff. You'll see stuff. I'll just stop talking.
Look at the pole.
Oh my God. Look at McDonald's.
Oh, that's McDonald's?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's
wow.
gone.
Oh, here comes the crew. Little League guys.
I know, babies. We'll get you somewhere tonight, safe and warm.
Got all the way down here.
Everywhere. It's like it wiped
Oh,
out.
there's a Safeway. Is that Safeway?
That's the grocery outlet down here.
Lines all over the place. Oh, those are the apartment buildings. They're gone.
Apartment buildings are gone.
Oh,
Look at
Safeway's
Safeway's
gone.
gone. Oh my God. The whole shopping center's gone. Oh my God, it already...
Is that, I don't think that's doing anything, Jackie.
Huh?
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my God. It's all gone.
Walgreens is being protected.
Being protected.
AMPM's gone.
AMPM is gone. Holy shit.
Elks is open. Still there because it's rock.
Yeah, it was masonry.
Library, well,
Library.
could go anytime.
Oh my God. I know, babies.
That office center.
What?
Our doctor is gone.
Oh my God, immediate care is gone. Oh my God.
Taco Bell's still here.
Oh, when you guess Taco Bell survived.
But look, this whole corner here.
Oh my
whatever
God.
was here.
Fred.
Oh, it's still falling. Laundromat's there. Oh, wow. My God. Look at this place gone.
It's like a war zone.
Looks like it says it's fetching the stream right now. I wanted to talk to you about this microwave stuff. It says right here. Got it. Microwaves are a form of electromagnetic radiation with the wavelengths ranging from about 1 meter to 1 millimeter with frequencies between 300 megahertz and 300 gigahertz. Rather, it indicates microwaves are small, having shorter wavelengths compared to radio waves using prior to microwave technology. Now, the issue I've got exactly with that, I did a look into what you've got electric impulses in your brain and such. Your brain frequency, I want to go ahead and spell this out. Okay. Your brain frequency, when you're highly alert, it operates at 14 hertz to 30 hertz. When you are relaxed, your brain operates between 8 and 14 hertz. When you are drowsy or sleepy, your brain is operating at 4 to 8 hertz. When you're in your deep sleep, it says 0.5 to 4 hertz. Now, the millimeter spectrum that we've heard so much about, this 5G, actually goes up to 300 hertz, 300 gigahertz, like you see right here. The potential to be throwing this at us constantly. We know that the 5G is exactly what Tom Wheeler was talking about. He said the exact words, that they were small millimeter frequency, having short wavelengths. I hear the ringing in my head 24 hours a day. So the ultra high frequency radiation, 24 to 100 gigahertz or more, is what Tom Wheeler said. We've got microwave weapons on this little article. Microwave weapons are prime suspect in the ills of U.S. embassy workers. Doctors and scientists say microwave strikes might have caused sonic delusions and very real brain damage among embassy staff and family members. Here they're blaming microwave weapons on embassy workers. Reported strange noises and mysterious symptoms that doctors and scientists say may have resulted from strikes with microwave weapons. This was when? September 1st, 2018. So there's that. Got microwave technology at 300 gigahertz. So I'm wondering about these airplanes. You can Google microwave weapons on planes and it'll give you a ton pictures. But shooting these lasers down, stuff like this, I mean, what on earth do you need that for? That's a... Anyway, just the way that town burnt down just brought all this to my head. Thought, well, might as well bring it up. Microwave. So, along with the the cell towers that we're seeing, the 5G that we're watching being built as well. It's crazy stuff. Okay, here's the 5G. This is Tom Wheeler. Get all this right here for you. Tom Wheeler. He is the guy that did the 5G future of wireless speech at the National Press Club in Washington, June 20th, 2016. You can find the PDF file of that if you Google it. You can download it. And it's basically word for word everything that he said about how awesome 5G was going to be and that they're going to deploy it. 300,000 towers, about 1,000 feet apart is what I heard. About 300 million people in America. That's a good enough amount of towers. So these are the towers here at the baseball field. Hit a home run, maybe you can hit that little set of awesome out there. Each one of these little rectannas, see if I can get each one of these little dealy dallies have the capacity of 300,000 watts or 300 kilowatts, which is the equivalent of 300 microwave ovens per block. So that's shooting a heck of a lot more frequency at you than your brain operates. So if your brain operates up to 30 hertz, and that's being highly alert, and you're being in a field up to 100 gigahertz or more constantly, because not only is it going to be outside, they're going to put this in your house. Gigafy, I believe it's called. So you have all of these towers getting put up, and it's going to create this electrical grid causing this. And I already have the ringing in my ears, so maybe some of you have any of this. Sleep insomnia, headaches, depression, fatigue, concentration, attention dysfunction, memory changes, dizziness, irritability, loss of appetite, restlessness, nauseousness. You feel your skin burning or tingling. The various non-thermal microwave EMF exposures produce diverse neuropsychiatric effects. So, I've got neighbors that are coming over here saying they've got ringing in their ears. They're hearing multiple tones on both sides, just like I am. And that's what this is all about. Towers everywhere. If firefighters don't want cell towers near their stations, why would you want them near your home? So we just watched this poor family drive away, watching their whole town burn down. This is probably the best solution to the whole thing. But that's not going to happen because Elon Musk said that we have to solve the bandwidth for the technology that they're building. They need this to make it work. So they have to upgrade everything in order to pull off what they're trying to pull off. That's about all I got for now. Columns of smoke. Anyway, I guess that's it. So I'll catch you guys on the flip side. I hope it worked out. I never know if I got dropped or not. We'll see.